Hi, welcome to the day 34. Today we will start today's update in a short. Please take a moment and read the disclaimers. And this is a summary which we discussed already in detail in November month's summary video. Please go and take a look. It will be very useful compared to the any other video. And these are all the metrics. And this is the setup which we are following. Capital which we are following is 1 lakh rupees, and we haven't used the additional buffer money. Earlier 2 days are we used, but we stopped using that in the last 2 days. And risk reward will be looking more because it is not the full one. It's only for the upcoming um, like December month and position, but other month I have the counter position. So if there is anything going wrong, I can manage that. So that's the reason risk reward and maximum loss will be it's showing more. And this is the this is the last month profit, and this is the mm, this month and not this month, actually it's a cumulative, like this 34 days profit, and this is a 34 days unrealized loss, and this is the maximum loss and profit as per the current position, that is the latest position, and it's not the full position again. And this is, you can see same value will be there, 58 125.55 and minus 16 463.51. This is the unrealized and unrealized cumulative value, and 30% capital if I lost, then it will be considered as I lost the series. So I need to keep that in mind, and I need to be very careful. I should not take go for a bigger risk. And this is the day 34. And last month we made one mistake, like we did a lot of trades, and similarly something like that this month also it's going on. And for first 13 days only this many trades we have did, so we should not repeat that. But here the profit value also more, so we can ignore this thing as of now. We will see at the end of the month whether we did over trading or not, because fees need to be we need to keep that in mind. Fees is also there. And these are the portion today we have closed that, and which are the portion you see. And 19th December that I closed it, because even if I hold extra 750 rupees or 1000 rupees, around 1000 rupees I will get. So for that I don't want to keep that portion for 4 more trading session, so I closed that. So if I kept that, I may got 1000 more. So you can see here 27 2700 and something, but if I kept that extra 1100 rupees I may got. And this is some naked buying I did when it went down Nifty. I know that it will reverse, so I spent some time to take this position. 927.27 I bought, not this is the amount sold. I bought it at around 849, and I sold it at around this much. Only 4k, around, not even 4k, 3.8k. But actually, if I hold that position now also, it may give a very big return of around 14,000 or 15,000. But thing is like here is the low risk series. I don't want to keep any position, just go for small thing only. So I don't want to go by luck anything. So that's the reason. And this position looks small, it's not like scalping or something. I thought of buying 50,000 PE and selling some other higher value, but actually it didn't work because margin required will be more. So I am not able to do. But I know that Bank Nifty will move further. So I bought instead of selling that, I did again one naked call. So again there one more 3k I got, just 15 portion, just 15 I bought. So it's around only 20,000, I think. 20 for 20,000, 3,000 rupees I got. And that's the thing. If I bought 30, then it will be double the money. But it's a naked call. I don't want to take risk without any hedging. I don't want to go anywhere. And that's the thing. As I said, this is not the high risk series. This is a low risk series. I don't want to lose any money. So that's a summary of what we have done in that. And apart from that, one more portion I created. You can see 25 quantity 4 portion. So this is one portion I took for combined together. This will be around if it goes in loss 1,200 it will I will get. If it is goes in as my way, it's like consolidating between 700 and 900, that 200 range in the December month end. Then I will get around 3.8 or 6k. I would forgot that. It's around that value. I will get that amount. So that's the thing I took. I closed that above 19th December portion, and I created it here. So that's why I closed here and I bought I sold it here. And this is already earlier also it's there. I didn't sold that when market violently going down, because as I said, I know that it will return. So I patiently kept that portion, and I didn't do any changes in this portion also. Jan month series. I can close this portion and reopen it again if it recover, but I didn't do that because again if market is moving violently upside or downside either side, uh, it's better to wait and take decision instead of taking immediately, so it will become a problem. So when market at the lowest bottom, it's around not even in loss, I think, if I remember correctly. Now again, then once it recover, minus 18,000 will be there. And again, if it goes further, again the loss is going to be more only. But I don't worry about that, because I know that what is the loss risk I am taking. But if I close that again doing some changes, then it will be a problem. So the loss which I am carrying is like in the downside around 11,000 or something. In the upside, I'm this is the maximum loss I'm carrying, like 24,000. So that's the reason in the uh, upcoming weeks, I'm keep on doing taking position, so that it will be counter to the Jan month series. So even if it closes at the highest point and I am losing minus 24,000 rupees, by the time I will be having already I booked some of the profits in the previous month itself, or in December series, or in Jan first 3 weeks only. I will do that. So I am not going to worry about this 24 minus 24. I can manage that. So you can see in the first 13 day of December itself, we made around 38,651. It's a small amount. Actually, if I kept that, it will be more that. But as I said, we are not going to take any big risk. A naked call I just bought and I sold it. If I can keep it, may get more, but I don't want to carry risk. And this is the amount I am carry forwarding the unrealized loss, and going forward it will due to time decay, this also will go down. And that's the thing I told. If it consolidate between 700 to 900, then I will get the maximum profit of 6,500 400 rupees. If it is going upside or downside, it will be less. I this loss is showing combined together this one, the first two portion, but this in between these four portion will be there. So this have limited risk around like minus 1,200 or something. The downside risk it will be more, and this is showing combined together, so it's showing like that. And about thetas, uh, gammas, theta, everything. And if it goes up, then this portion will be in profit, and if it goes up, this portion will be in loss, minus 5. And theta time decay here 135 will be there, it's a good, and here there is no time decay at all. And gamma here 0.014, and other one is 0.0012. So this is fine, and this will be more reactive to IV. And this is 81%, this is showing 0 because there is no chance of getting profit only. The maximum minimum loss will be minus 283, and that will be if there is a if it is less than 24,500. And that's about today's summary. I think it went little bit longer than expected, and I'm expecting again it will go up furthermore. And today fall, I expected that on yesterday or 2 days back, so that's the reason I didn't take downside risk earlier in the previous things, but it didn't happen. I thought it will, at least it will happen expiry day, but that didn't happen. It happened in today on the Friday after the expiry. So that's about today. We will see on, we will try to book some thing in December end.